2015 came to an end with devastating floods. These came after a refugee crisis and an escalation of conflict in the Middle East. The election this year saw a Tory majority government, which gave people in Wales a double whammy. We now have a government in London that we didn't vote for, intent on pursuing needless cuts to our public services, together with a Labour government in Cardiff Bay, unwilling, perhaps even unable, to provide the solutions that face the problems in our health and education systems and in our declining economy. 2016 gives us the opportunity to do things differently. In May next year, people will elect a new Welsh Government. I, together with my energetic and talented team, will be in communities throughout the country, putting forward our vision for the future of the country, as well as the case for a Party of Wales government. Why not join us? Ymunwch â ni yn 2016 I cymryd ein gwlad mewn cyfeiriad newydd. Join us to take our country in a new direction. Wherever you are on New Year's Eve, I wish you all a blwyddyn newydd dda. A happy New Year to everyone.